In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Bank of America statement, view it, and even print it right from the payment center. This process is quite straightforward. It's a handy skill to have, especially when you need quick access to your financial records. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Bank of America account. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your information. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard, which is essentially your command center for managing your finances. From here, navigate to the Accounts or Payments section. You can usually find these options at the top of your dashboard, neatly organized to make your banking experience as seamless as possible. Clicking on either of these will take you to a more detailed view of your financial activities, offering a comprehensive look at your account information. Within the Accounts or Payments section, look for Statements and Documents. This is where Bank of America stores your past and present statements. It's really like a digital filing cabinet, organized just for you. This section ensures that you're not overwhelmed by paper statements and everything is kept secure and accessible anytime you need them. Once you've located statements and documents, the next step involves selecting the specific statement you're interested in. Bank of America usually categorizes these by month and year, allowing you to quickly find what you need. Selecting the desired statement will give you a preview, allowing you to ensure you've chosen the right one. Moving on, now that you have the correct statement ready, it's time to download it. Bank of America offers statements in PDF format, making them convenient for both online storage and printing. Click on the download option and save the file to a location on your device where you can easily retrieve it later. Finally, with your statement safely downloaded, you're ready to print it. Open the PDF file, and you'll find the print icon usually at the top of your PDF viewer's toolbar. Ensure your printer is connected and loaded with paper. Click the print button, configure any print settings if necessary, and then allow your printer a few moments to produce a physical copy of your bank statement. Downloading, viewing, and printing your Bank of America statement online is a simple yet valuable process. This not only helps you keep a close track of your finances, but also ensures you have necessary documentation at your fingertips whenever required. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials.